Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. To do this, you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Microsoft Edge. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. Set up for data sharing preferences and set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. From here we can start browsing, so let's open any website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.